Thermador range model ME301WS troubleshooting. Prepare mouth-watering meals with this 30-inch Thermador oven. It uses true convection technology to cook food evenly, and the 4.7 cubic feet capacity offers plenty of room for a large casserole dish or a whole turkey. This Thermador oven has pre-programmed easy cook modes that optimize temperature and humidity for impeccable results. Troubleshooting. Adjust Thermador oven thermostat. A Thermador oven not heating properly can sometimes be fixed with a minor adjustment, most commonly the thermostat. It's possible that your oven thermostat needs to be modified to better monitor the temperature of the oven. While it's possible the thermostat may be faulty, this is generally a rare occurrence. We suggest referring to your owner's manual to learn how to adjust the thermostat for your particular model oven. Incoming power issue. When a Thermador electric oven won't heat up, sometimes it's not the oven that's the problem, it's the power source. We suggest these checks to make sure your oven is receiving proper power. Move your oven away from the wall to make sure it's plugged in. Check your electrical panel for flipped switches or broken fuses. Refrain from using an extension cord to power your oven and ensure that it has the proper outlet for the amount of volts it requires. Test your oven outlet with a multimeter to make sure it's providing the proper voltage. Blown thermal fuse. A common oven malfunction that can result in a lack of heat is a blown thermal fuse. The thermal fuse functions to prevent the oven from overheating. If it does, the fuse will trip, shutting off the oven's power. A blown fuse is typically faulty and will also result in a loss of power to the oven. You can determine if the thermal fuse is blown by testing it for continuity with a multimeter. A blown fuse cannot be repaired and should be replaced. Broken bake element. Your oven's bake element is what's responsible for creating the heat necessary for cooking. It does so by heating up as electric current runs through it. If the bake element is broken or damaged, that current may be interrupted or not flowing at all, resulting in improper heating. Troubleshooting a broken bake element can be fairly straightforward with a visual inspection. If the bake element doesn't glow red with heat upon turning the oven on, the element is not heating properly. Dark spots or holes on the heating element are also indicators of malfunction. A broken element will need to be replaced. Convection fan motor failure. If you have a convection model Thermador oven and have noticed uneven cooking or insufficient heating, the convection fan motor could be to blame. The convection fan recirculates the heated air throughout the oven for the more even cooking expected of convection baking. Without the fan, your oven may not maintain its temperature on a convection setting nor heat as evenly as it should. In this case, the fan should be replaced.